John Hunter Glazing is one of the leading Belfast glazing companies with over 50 years' experience in the trade. We provide a wide range of services, from large commercial glazing panes to simple lock and hinge repairs. Your commercial and domestic glazing requirements are in good hands with our Glass and Glazing Federation accredited staff. We have fully trained glass fitters ready and waiting to provide a professional service from start to finish. Our services are carried out by our experienced installation experts, all trained and dedicated to the industry. Whether you need a double-glazed window for your home in Belfast or an oversized custom glass window for your business, we offer the highest quality bespoke services to suit your needs. We know that glass can break at any time of the day, even in the evening or during the night. That's why we offer a 24/7 emergency call-out service to homes and businesses throughout Northern Ireland. We're happy to provide a free consultation and competitive quotes for any of the following and more: glazing repair, window and door maintenance, double glazing repairs, shop fronts, balustrades, glass fittings, tinted and frosted and films, as well as lock and hinge repairs. Contact our friendly team today and get the ball rolling on any jobs you need done.